In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin cards to the top of a list on Trello, making your workflow more organized and efficient. Let's get started. First, head over to the Trello board where you want to make these changes. If you're new to Trello, just log in and navigate to the board by selecting it from your dashboard. Once you're inside the board, look for the menu button, typically located on the right-hand side, and click on Power-Ups. Power-ups are essentially Trello's way to integrate extra functionalities into your boards, allowing for a more customized experience. Next, you will want to click on Add Power-ups. This will open up a new window where you can search through a vast library of available power-ups. Now, in the search bar, type in pin card. As you type, you'll notice options appearing below. Look for the pin card power-up and click on it. This specific power-up will enable you to pin any card to the top of your lists effortlessly. With the pin card power-up selected, click on Add. You might have to authorize the power-up to work within your board by allowing specific permissions. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure to ensure everything functions smoothly. After you have successfully added the power-up, what you need to do is refresh your page. This helps ensure that the power-up is properly integrated and ready for use. Now, let's proceed to the specifics of pinning a card. Click on any card in your list that you wish to pin to the top. After opening the card, you'll once again see a Power-Ups button within the card, typically situated near the top. Clicking on this will show you a list of all activated power-ups for the card options. Find and click on the Pin Card option. Once you do this, you'll have the ability to pin this card to the top of your chosen list, making it stand out above others. It's especially useful for tasks that require priority or for information that needs immediate attention or constant visibility. And there you have it. The card is now successfully pinned to the top of your list. You can repeat this process for other cards that require the same visibility. It's a simple yet powerful way to customize your Trello board to suit your project needs better. If you ever need to unpin a card, you can do so with just a couple of clicks in the same Power-Ups menu. Thank you for joining me today. By following these steps, you can keep your tasks highlighted and organized, ensuring that nothing important slips through the cracks. Happy organizing!